Asian elephants. Asian elephants are found in two countries, India and Asia. They eat fruit. Asian elephants are the largest land animals. They flap their ears to keep cool when they are hot. Asian elephants live in forests and jungles. They can weigh up to 11,000 pounds. Asian elephants use their trunk for breathing, smelling, and drinking. Asian elephants females lead their herds. The females or women are in charge or the leaders. Asian elephants eat grass, plants, and leaves. They are endangered. Asian elephants dive of starvation after their molars, those are their big teeth, are worn down. Once they are worn down, the elephant can no longer eat and will starve to death.